The perfect combination of not sweet, but sweet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything I got from the Sephora VIP sale. So this is my haul video. I'm a little bit late, but better late than never. So I have a lot of things that I got fragrance wise, body care wise. I'll try to include some timestamps to be more helpful. I also want to mention in this video some jewelry that I'm wearing from Ana Luisa. So I'm wearing this first piece that has an S, if you guys can see. I really enjoy it. So I just kind of want to zoom in. It's like a very cute piece. I've always wanted kind of like a first initial necklace. And I feel like this is exactly what I have right now. Of course, you can get a necklace that is in your initial or your first initial as well. And they also come in these really cute packages that make it super easy. This is recyclable as well, but it makes it super easy to be able to store your jewelry. So this is another piece that I also got that I really enjoy. And this one looks like this. It's really cute. It's like an ocean-y type of necklace. So this one looks like this. Super cute. Super easy to wear. This is how the clip looks to be able to put it on. And I've also gotten pieces from them before, so it's super easy to be able to wear them, put them on, use them. And they definitely have a lot of longevity, which I really love. And like I said, I just love how this is like a classical piece. So at least for me, I love an initial necklace. So like I stated, I did get some stuff from skincare to fragrances to body care. So one of the things I got is from Paula's Choice. If you know me, you know I'm a Paula's Choice girl. I actually want to start making more skincare stuff because a lot of people ask about my skincare and I'm like a skincare fanatic. So this is the perfectly balanced foaming cleanser. And I actually have a foaming cleanser and a non-foaming cleanser. I'm like very serious about that, and this is the Paula's Choice. I am a Paula's Choice girly. I love me some good Paula's Choice. And Paula's Choice, a lot of skincares have started to do this now, but if you're new at skincare, they always have this very helpful listing here. And so this just says 1, so it lets someone know that if they're not sure, this is the first step for cleansing. I also went ahead and got their Advanced Replenishing Toner. This has hyaluronic acid, and I actually have their toner from like forever ago. And again, it lists step 2 for people that maybe are not sure and just to be like sure of like which one to use next. But the toner that I have is just the regular toner. It doesn't like have any specific hyaluronic acid in it. It does have niacinamide, I believe, but I wanted to try this one since they do have one now that has hyaluronic acid. And for those of you that are not aware what hyaluronic acid does, it basically just makes your skin super moisturized, depending on like what type of skin needs that you need. But for most people, it does make it very moisturized. I am looking forward to implementing this into my routine. And also, I will say, as someone that like nearly religiously uses skincare every single day, and sometimes multiple times a day, depending on like if I'm taking like 2 or 3 showers, how many showers I'm taking a day. This is like 4 ounces, but a lot of the times Paula's Choice items literally last me at least almost like up to a year, if not more, before I have to replenish it. So that's always great because then I can catch a lot of things when it's on sale and I don't have to like always buy it full price, because I know a lot of the times really good skincare brands, or especially brands like Paula's Choice and things, are pretty expensive, but you don't have to buy it that frequently. So next up, I got some lip care stuff. So this is the Dior Addict Lip Sugar Scrub. So I just like to make sure that my lips are moisturized. I always have stuff going on. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I always have stuff going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually try to open it. I don't want to mess up my nails though. I'm not even gonna hold you. So this is what it looks like. I'm trying to get into using lip scrubs because I don't know what is going on with my lips, or like what be going on with my lips, but yeah, so I'm trying to get into using lip scrubs. I've actually never used it before, but I am obsessed with their regular just like lip gloss. Then I got the Fenty Beauty Cherry Treatment Conditioning Lip Oil, and this is what this looks like. I'm actually obsessed with all of the like cherry oil just like treatment glosses, because I feel like since they're like conditioning treatments, first off, it feels very good on your lips and actually feels moisturizing and not just like, it's nice for your lips to look luscious, but do they feel luscious is the question. So one of the things I got is a body scrub. So I actually was trying to get a foot scrub because I feel like it's super hard to find a really good, I want a tea tree foot scrub actually, and I think I know a brand that I'm probably going to use, but I ended up getting this one. This is just a regular body scrub. I really love Butta Baby's body scrub and some other brands' body scrubs for like my actual body, so I'll be using this probably just as like a foot scrub, but you know, you never know. Then I got the Fenty Skin. This is her Butta Drop, and I've actually never tried her Butta Drop before, like ever. This is already open because I've tried it. It smells like really, really good. This is the limited edition one, I believe. It smells like really good, and I actually thought that people said that like when her body butters or whatever came out that it was like super oily and like they didn't like it, but honestly, I felt like this was like not. I don't know. I use a lot of like, I'll list like the brands I use a lot. I use a lot of like Brooklyn Body Butters and like stuff like that. And so I'm used to like, especially since I was in school in the mountains, I needed something to like actually be moisturizing or make me not feel like ash in snow. So I didn't feel like this was like that, but it does smell like really, really good. I don't think the scent lasts, but it smells really good. Okay, so some fragrances that I picked up is Dulce & Gabbana Devotion. So I haven't been making like fragrance videos lately, and it's mainly because I've been back in the bowling heat, and it's just literally a lot of the fragrances that my mom has, I've given her them or bought them for her, and they smell so good because I love a good gourmet scent. Like I'm in that era where like I love to smell like foods. Like I'm sorry, like call it what you want to call it, but yeah. And she literally got stung by a bee from one of the scents that I gave her because she just smelled that good. And so like I haven't been making content on that, but I have definitely been on my perfume era, and now since it's getting colder here, I am definitely gonna be back on that. So this is Dulce & Gabbana Devotion, and it smells really good. Like it smells super sweet. It doesn't last long. I got the sample size, so it doesn't last long, but it still smells like really good. Then I got the Kayali Vanilla Royale Sugared Patchouli, so 64 Intense. So honestly, I tried this when it first came out, y'all, and I loved it. Like literally, I was smelling like I was rich when I was definitely in my broke college era, student era / that I'm still in, but just a little bit closer to the finish line. And so honestly, first off, hold on, y'all, I thought this was supposed to be limited edition, and it's definitely still out, and I don't think it's ever gone back in. I don't know. Could be wrong. I don't know. So I actually got the travel size, and I actually got this for like an early Christmas present for my mom. But yeah, so I have the original. I don't think it ever came in a big one. I think it always came in a very small one, but I personally feel like it smells really good. It's not like, I feel like it smells like grown and wealthy though, and I'm not that. Like I'm that, but I'm not that, you know. But I personally feel like it smells like really, really good. Like I'll just leave that there. But yeah, I feel like it smells really good. I feel like it more so fits my mom since she's like a little bit like older and like definitely in her era where she like has money and is like at a certain status level that I am definitely not. But I did pick this one up. The next one I got is Libre. This is the Intense one, and I love this one. Like I don't even know how to explain this scent, and I know a lot of people don't really, I don't think people like this Intense one as much, do they? I don't know, but honestly, I feel like a lot of people say it's like a more mature scent. To me, the dry down of this literally just smells like a powdery vanilla, sweet, a hint of like citrus. Like it just smells so good. Honestly, I feel like I sprayed this on a hoodie like a long time ago. Like a lot of my friends last year were like, what are you wearing? Because how is that still on your hoodie? But I sprayed like so much of it on there, and I swear it stayed for like a whole, until I washed the hoodie, it stayed. And literally it just smelled like powdery vanilla, almost like a coffee. Like I don't even think there's any like coffee beans or anything in this fragrance, but so it could be because of the fact that I like oversprayed it. I really just sprayed it that much because I don't have to keep spraying it on my hoodie, and like it was super cold and I was just like wearing a hoodie or whatever. And it smelled like so good though, and I feel like it smelled like coffee for a little bit. It smelled so good. Like if you kept sniffing it, I feel like it smelled coffee. Anyways, this is one of my favorite fragrances, especially to wear in the winter time. Chef's kiss. Love this. Okay, I also got Commodity Gold. So Commodity Gold, I feel like is more of like a vanilla-y, musky type of scent. I feel like there is definitely like a bit of like powdery scent in it. And I also got the Commodity Milk because I didn't remember which one. I smelled one of them before. I tried one of them before. I think I may have tried both of the, I definitely did try both of the sample size before, but I feel like I like this one better, but I got both just in case, I maybe should have gotten both in a big size just in case. But this one is the commodity milk, and this one I believe just has like the powdery milky, I don't think there's any vanilla-ish in this one, so it may have been the other one that I actually liked more, but I already spent the coins, so but yeah, so I definitely got these two as well, and I think these are like a really good like fall vanilla, or this one vanilla, and just like wintry scents. Then I got another Kayali. I've been really late on my Kayali fragrances because normally I'm like up there with them, but I've been really late on them. This is the Yum Pistachio Gelato. This one, I haven't tried it. It's still on the thing, but it says pistachio gelato, hazelnut, sweet rum, whipped cream, marshmallow, and cotton candy, and that seems like my type of thing. However, a lot of people have been saying that this smells like the perfect combination of not sweet but sweet, and I don't even know what that is because I'm not even sure how you can make that. Like, I'm not sure how that works, but I guess I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna find out, I guess. So that was everything from my Sephora VIP self haul. Like, I think I literally spent almost like $500 on everything I got. Everything was like on sale, and I saved at least almost like 170-ish. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, I think this is the last sale they have before Christmas time, so in a way it's kind of like a Black Friday sale. Let me know if you guys got anything, or if you guys are a part of like the VIP membership, like what membership are you guys a part of, or if you normally just, are you more of like an Ulta person and not a Sephora person? Let me know, but definitely comment down below. Let me know if you guys have tried anything that I got before. I really want to know. Don't forget to comment down below before you click out of this video, because I also want to know what I got that you guys have tried, or maybe that you've wanted to try. Make sure to check out my link in the description box, so that way you will be able to check out anything that you may like from them, because they have tons of more stuff besides just this. But if you are interested in the specific necklaces that I got, you can look in my description box, because I'll have the link to the specific ones that I got as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.